Want to add multiple photos on your WhatsApp status? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a photo collage and upload multiple pictures in one WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp app and go to the Updates tab. Now, tap on Add Status. Here, select the Layout option to create a collage-style WhatsApp status. After that, choose the photos you want to add from your gallery, then tap Next. Now, you can choose any grid layout or collage style you like. WhatsApp gives you multiple layout options, depending on the number of photos you select. Once everything looks good, tap Done. You can also add a caption, mentions, stickers, or even music before posting your status. After that, tap the Share button to upload your WhatsApp status. Your multiple photos will now appear together in a single WhatsApp status layout. And that's it. That's how to post multiple photos on WhatsApp status easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.